again to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification. And thank you all for those of you who have already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for keeping the channel growing. So today I'm going to be making some spinach vegetable. Alright, so right here I've already washed my spinach. So I'm just going to cut it just a little bit. So outside on my grill, so I've already got water boiling outside. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add a little bit of salt, pour this in there, then allow it to boil for about 60 to 90 seconds. Then I'm going to take it out, then we're going to make this stew. Alright guys, let's get it. Alright, you guys can see my water is nice and boiling. I'm just going to add a little bit of salt right here. Yeah. Yes. Right there. Then I'm going to add my spinach. And I'm just going to let it stay right here. You guys can see this is looking good. Alright, just like that. I'm going to let it sit for about 60 to 90 seconds. Alright, let's start preparing, getting ready for this stew. Alright guys, so this is done right now. We're just going to take it up. I'm going to drain the water. Let's begin cooking that nice spinach vegetable right here. So right here, I'm just adding oil. Just add the oil. It's nice and good. Yup, nice and good. Nice and good. Ooh, that's good right there. That's good right there. Alright, so we're going to allow this to warm a little bit. Alright, let it warm a little bit. It's done. Alright, we're going to add some onion. Just like that. Right there, we're going to add a little bit of salt. Yeah. Alright, we're just going to stir this. We're going to stir this. And let the onion, we're going to let it sit. So this onion is nice and roasted. Nice and roasted. Alright guys, let's wait. Alright, so at this time I'm going to add some mushroom. You guys see that? Yep. It's a nice mushroom right there. Alright, that's good right there. I'm just going to stir it all up. Stir it all up. Just like that. You guys see that? Everything is looking nice and good. Nice and good right there. This is what you want. Exactly what you want. Exactly. Alright. So at this time, I'm going to be adding just a little bit of my seasoning. I'm going to be adding just, you guys see? A little bit of that. Alright, so I'm going to back in some of my chicken cube. I'm just going to open it. Yeah. Yo, man. Alright, that's good right there. I'm just going to stir it all up. Stir it right up. All up. Just like that. Alright. Ooh, this is looking good. This is looking good right there. You guys see that? Alright. So right here I got my pepper. So inside this pepper contains tomato, bell pepper, chili pepper. So I'm just going to add it to this right here. You guys see this is nice and looking good. Nice and looking good. Right there, so you don't want to add too much pepper to this. Alright, so right now this is good right now. So what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to let this sit for about 3 to 5 minutes. Then we're going to check back at this. Alright guys, don't forget, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, hit that like button as well. Alright guys, let's wait for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, so this is nice and done. So inside this we got the onion, we got the mushroom, we got the pepper. Alright, so right now I'm going to add the vegetable. So right here, this is the vegetable right here. I'm just going to put it on top of it just like that. You guys see that? Right here, that's Master Chef. Okay. Then just gonna mix it together. Nicely shake it. Shake it all out. Shake it all out just like that. You guys see that? Then I'm gonna put all the steel on top. Just like that. I put all the steel right here. Right here. So if you guys got some meat, some fish, you guys can add it to this. But I didn't plan for any meat or fish. So that's why you guys didn't see any fish or meat right here. So with this, you guys can put this on your rice, or you guys can use it to eat fufu. I know most of you know what fufu is, so you guys can use it to eat your fufu. All right, guys, you guys see that? Then I'm just gonna let it sit on the stove, on this grill. It's not easy, guys. So I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 to 7 minutes. So this is done right now. So right now I'm going to take it off. Then we're done cooking our nice vegetable stew. All right, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share this with your friend. So I'm gonna see you in the next video. All right, guys.